We're taking a journey few asylum seekers have willingly sought. An hour north of the Rwandan capital, Kigali, we've been invited to the Gashora Transit Centre.
OK, so they live in these ones as well, right?
Around 400 refugees are housed here, though that housing isn't much. They've been relocated here from Libya, where they'd travelled to cross to Europe. We were shown this scheme because it's similar to the deal done by the British government, which tomorrow will begin sending its own deportees to Rwanda.
How is it here in the camp?
Here is good, it's safe. But for the people who coming from British, maybe they not going to feel good because they tried, struggled years to reach British, and they want to take them back to Rwanda.
We could only interview those selected for us, like Devora, who shares this tiny room with another asylum seeker after escaping Eritrea. Bringing others from the UK to Rwanda is not a good decision, she told me. It will cause more stress, more anxiety. Those coming from Britain will have better accommodation back in the capital. This is the hostel that'll house them when they arrive on Wednesday.
There's room for 100 people here, with 2 in each of these rooms. They're clean, but they're pretty basic, and they'll have to share a communal bathroom like this one, as well as a canteen. The bigger question, though, is whether Rwanda is the right place to fulfil their other essential needs.
Rwanda is one of the least developed countries in the world. Its human rights record has often been poor too. Political opposition, freedom of speech, both are restricted here, though not according to the government.
Why do you think asylum seekers don't want to go from the UK to Rwanda?
I'm sure that, I don't know, everyone has different reasons, but
they're all fighting it in the courts, almost all of them.
Yeah. Well, Rwanda is a safe country. If they're looking for safety, they will get it here. And with the partnership with the UK, it means that this program will be very well resourced.
One reason they don't want to come is because the freedoms here aren't the same as the freedoms in Britain, are they?
I don't know what you're talking about. We don't see living in Rwanda as a punishment. We're a normal country. We are committed to the rule of law. Given where we've come from in the last 30 years, we've made tremendous progress.
But the few left on tomorrow's flight may not agree. They haven't fled their struggles, only to find new ones in Rwanda. Paul Brand, News at 10, Kigali.